guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be filming my long and awaited room tour of 2018. I've wanted to do this video for such a long time, but because I've been doing that in my room a lot, and I've been putting new things in my room, so I thought I would show you my room tour. I absolutely love my room so much, but I always change my room every year. I don't know why, but I just like a bit of a change. Yeah, because every year I do get older. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the room. So as you walk in, you'll see my two shelves and my big table slash chest of drawers. So in this very unique, it's like an unusual shape shelf, which I got from Tiger. If you want to know, I'll try and leave it in the description below. And I've got my Polaroid camera in pink, and I've got my 18th birthday charm. Then on my shelf I've got a few candles, so I'm going to go through them. So I have this gorgeous two candles. One's a Christmas one, the one's a yellow one, and I've got my unicorn little pot which I keep all my jewellery in. And then I have a piggy thing which I got from like a sweets, from Love Heart Sweets, and I've got a picture of me and my nan. I've got these little old shoes, I've always loved them, I don't know why. I've got a picture of me, my nan and my cat Twinkle. I've got the frame for my 18th birthday. And then I've got a countdown little block, which I think is super cute. And I've got a champagne little popper thing, because I've got it for my 18th, it'll probably be a keepsake. I've got a few cat's little ornaments, and I've got a lovely thing saying home. Another yellow candle, a picture of me and my cat Twinkle. A little cup for my 18th birthday. And I've got a picture of me and my cat Twinkle. And then on this big one I have got this clock, which is in the shape of a watch. I absolutely love it. I got it from the charity shop. It was so good money as well. I really like it. So now let's move on to the chest of drawers. So here I've got my chest of drawers. So these were from IKEA. I'm actually in love with them. And these are my hair straighteners, my thin ones, because I got them for thin for my hair. And I've got this box. I had this box for Christmas last year, but I wanted to keep it because it's super cute. And I keep all my memories in it, so I thought it'd be cute. And on here I keep all my toiletries, perfumes, etc. And there's my phone case, which I use for at home. And then I've got my chest of drawers. I've got my underwear. My top drawer, I've got like pyjamas. Bottom drawer, I've got more underwear. So I'm not going to show you because it's a bit personal, but yeah. Let's move to the second bit. So down here I keep some of my bags. I've got my little suitcase which I take when I go for little trips away. I've got my Zoella bag and my little bag which I got from Primark. This is my wardrobe. I don't think I showed you it last year. Got this from IKEA. It kind of matches my chest of drawers. Then up here I've got my little box I got last Christmas, my wigs, all my bags and my trainer boxes. And then I've got my hat here, which I like to keep there. So I'm going to move down here now. So I've got my selfie little thing there. This is what I like to pack for work, so I know what I'm going to wear. So I'll take a hat with me, leggings and a hoodie, but I don't pack my underwear till the day. Then I've got my bin here, you don't want to see that. Then I've got my dressing table, which I love so much. So what I keep on here is I put all my foundations and concealers here, and I keep all my eye medication, my skincare, my staples, my pins, my writing pads and pen. These are my drawers. I keep my makeup, personal stuff and my books. And then here I've got my pens, brushes, some of my skincare, some of my hair care, my speaker and my little bin where I put my stuff in it. This is my chair. Then I've got here all my makeup, which I like to keep. I need to get a bigger one, but I don't know where to get one for. But if you know any, can you leave it in the comments below. Then on my windowsill I have my 18th birthday keepsake thing. Then I've got my 18th birthday signature thing, which I think is super cute. And I've got my 16th birthday there. So now I'm going to show you this. I've not shown you this actually, guys. So this is from the Saffron Barker range. I keep all my pictures on this wall, and I think it's so lovely. And I love it so much. And then I've got one more here from the Saffron Barker range. More pictures there, and they're my shifts because I work. Because I'm working now, so I keep my shifts on there so I don't forget them. So this is from the Saffron Barker range. I think these were £8 the lights were, and that was £6. I'll try and see if I can put in the description below. I'll try. And then I have got up here my third badge from my granddaughter did a competition, and I put I love my dog. Then I've got a little sign saying don't give up your daydreams, which I like. And then this wall is empty now because I've removed my corkboard. So I've got this cute unicorn, and I've got I love my cat, and then I've got a beautiful butterfly on my wall, which I'm loving. And then I've got my unicorn light one. And then I've got here is my I have my cover, which I got from IKEA again. I'm loving IKEA. So I've got on my table my book. It's like a medical book, my water bottle, and my computer and my charger. In my drawer, got my personal stuff and magazines underneath there. Then here is my mirror. So yeah, I got this from the charity shop, I think. Again, charity shops are doing so much good things at the moment. Then I've got my Saffron Barker frame, which I'm loving so much. Then I've got my good vibes little thing, and I've got my November calendar. Now I'm going to show my bed in now. So Dorla is on my bed. Say hello, Dorla. Say hello. So this is my bed. I got this all from Primark. And yeah, Dorla loves being in the camera, don't you? So yeah, this is my bedding. Of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. I think Dorla wants to be in the video. And what do I have to do, Dorla? Kiss. So yeah, just give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye.